Notion AI Complete Beginners Tutorial. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys exactly everything that you guys need to know about Notion's AI that recently rolled out. We're going to be going over all the different things that you can do with Notion AI and also many different options that you guys can avail to make sure that you can use Notion AI to its full potential. So first of all, we're going to come into Notion, the application. When you are inside Notion, the application, over here you can basically see all of the different features and options that Notion provides you with. On the left side, you can basically see all of your different sections. And at the moment, I have a brand new page open. Now, of course, this is not a Notion beginners tutorial, so we're not going to be going into the beginner stuff. But in this particular video, we are going to be going over different stuff. So over here, firstly, what we're going to do is that we're going to simply give our document a title. So I'm going to name it AI experimentation. And then once I have named this particular AI experimentation, below that you can see an option which is write AI experimentation with AI. So let's click on that. And now over here, we can simply give it prompts to make sure that this is exactly how we want it to be. So over here, what we can do is that we can simply type in write about whatever the topic might be. So over here, it is AI experimentation. And then afterwards, we can type in over here, make it concise and easy to understand. Now these are really beginner terms, so like these aren't exactly very advanced stuff, but still it's gonna be very nice. So I'm gonna press enter. Now once I've pressed enter, Notion AI has given us a very detailed paragraph of what AI experimentation is. After that, if we were to go into more detail, from the bottom we can simply click on continue writing, or we can simply click on make it longer, and then it's gonna go longer. And now from over here, we can simply click on continue writing, and then that's gonna make it even more longer. So that is how you can really make sure that you are getting the most out of your Notion, because over here you can literally see that Notion just gave you a whole paragraph and all you had to do was simply just tell it to make it longer, and it just made it longer. So now from over here, we can simply click on done. And then once we do that, we have successfully written a very detailed paragraph. Now, let's say you want to talk with Notion AI. Let's say you want to ask about different problems with it. Let's say you want to use Notion to complete your homework assignments or something like that. So now over here, what I'm going to type in is that, hey Notion AI. And then afterwards, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply type in hey Notion. And what we can do is we can very easily just give it a command. So I'm going to simply type in ask AI to write. And over here, I'm going to type in, hey Notion AI, I need to get my computer assignment completed. Now, once I type this in, it's going to basically read that. And now it's going to tell us that this document is not related to your computer assignment. Please provide relevant instructions. So over here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type in, I need you to write me a 500 words document on why programming is necessary to make the world a better place. Now, once I do that, it's going to basically write that particular over here. Now, of course, we might have to pay more money, but that is essentially how you can very easily write down different articles and different stuff using Notion AI. Let's say we want to experiment differently. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to simply type in over here a text. So I'm going to type in over here, hey Notion. So now over here, if you guys see the option that you have used Notion's AI responses for far too many times, what you can do is that you can simply log out of your Notion account and just simply log in into another account. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll catch you guys in 1 second. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that we're going to modify Notion a bit, and we're going to play around with the different types of things that you can do while using Notion's AI. So over here, I'm going to again type in over here / and then after that, I'm going to type ask AI. And then after that, you get all these different options. You have the option to brainstorm ideas, blog post, outlines, social media post, press release, creative story, essay, and so many more options such as writing a poem, to-do list, meeting agenda, pros and cons list, job description, sales email, and recruiting email. So all of these options are there at your service, and you can simply avail any one of these options. So now from over here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply click on brainstorm ideas. So let's say you have an idea to start something, and that idea can be anything. So over here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply type in Amazon And then after that, I'm gonna simply type in enter. And then as soon as I hit enter, I am given many different types of ideas for Amazon. So the first one is launching a new line of eco-friendly products on Amazon, creating a personalized shopping experience with AI-powered product recommendations, partnering with influencers to promote products on Amazon, and so many other options. Now, this is very, very nice because previously you had to think for yourself, you had to think for multiple hours to get these ideas. But with using this AI, you can literally save yourself so much time, and all that time can now go into actually working on the product to make sure that it is the best version of itself. So from over here, I will simply type in another command, and that command can be give me some ideas for videos. And then after I press enter, it's going to give me ideas for Windows. So Notion AI is literally very, very nice because like the options that I see over here, they are literally on par with ChatGPT as well. And you can literally take full advantage of this and like, do all of your assignments, do all of your essays, do all of your homework, whatever it might be, by just simply using these options. And it's that simple. So now from over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on done. And now we have successfully used Notion's AI. And all we have to do now is simply click on another idea from the bottom, and we can simply type in something else. So what we can do is that we can type in over here another command, and that command can be to write me a strategy for a content plan. So I will simply type in AI over here. And then after that, I'm going to type in write me a content strategy that is going to help me go viral. And then after that, I simply click on the enter button, and then AI is gonna basically do its thing, and it's gonna write out the whole content. For now, it's giving an error for whatever might the reason be, but it can do that. So like that is how easy it is for you guys to actually start writing with AI using Notion. And there are 100 different things that you can do, but it all depends upon your creativity and upon your use case. So yeah, I mean, be sure to take full advantage of this particular option, and you can get started with Notion AI right away. One last thing, if you guys run into any problem, if you guys feel like you did not understand something, well, you guys can just simply watch this video again once and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then watch this video again and again till you guys completely understand, because sometimes you might miss this stuff. So it's always better to watch these videos again and again. And similarly, also tell your friends and family as well to watch this video again if they don't understand anything, because they covered everything. So everything that you need to know must be in this video. If you don't get it, well, then simply watch this video again and you guys will definitely understand it. Again, in the end, I would just like to give you my well wishes. I hope that this method works for you and you guys are actually able to do what you want to do with these particular methods. Again, it's not gonna take much time, it's only gonna take a few minutes, so definitely give this video a quick rewatch if you don't understand anything, and good luck. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like this video, subscribe. Take care, till next time. Goodbye.